On November 6th, voters will be asked to consider a $495 million school bond, resulting from an innovative partnership between Spokane Public Schools and the City of Spokane.
To have the partners come together and build off the assets that our citizens own in a way that has never been done before is really exciting and really is fundamental to being the city of choice. You see where these investments are going to be made. They're going to be across the city, literally touching nearly every neighborhood.
The bond would provide for 3 new middle schools, replacement of Glover, Sacagawea, and Shaw middle schools, a commons area at Lewis and Clark High School, new space for options programs at Libby and On Track Academy, safety and technology upgrades, and modernizing or replacing the aging Joe Albi Stadium with a new multi-use facility for boys and girls high school activities.
This bond really sets us up for the future, especially in terms of class size as we're moving 6th graders to the middle school, also safety and security and technology. In the last 2 bonds, we have made pretty large investments in safety and security as well as technology. This bond will help us really expand those efforts and make sure that we have evidence-based practices in place for all of our schools.
City voters will be asked in a separate $77 million measure to build 3 new libraries and make significant enhancements to 4 others. This partnership makes use of city-owned property already paid for by taxpayers to build 3 new middle schools, 1 in the northeast, 1 in the northwest, and the 3rd on the south end of the district. The libraries located in the northwest, northeast, east, downtown, East Central, and South side of the city will use school district land and resources to expand opportunities for lifelong learning.
We're looking at really incorporating learning for not just students, but also everyone in the community, little kids to seniors, and using those resources in a way that Spokane hasn't seen ever.
A major shift in how the state funds basic education has created this unique opportunity. It allows for an investment in education while also decreasing local property tax rates. Taxpayers will see their local property taxes reduced by an estimated $2.20 per thousand of assessed value beginning in 2019. The bond measures propose investing 98 cents of that amount in schools, libraries, and recreational facilities, with the remaining $1.22 kept by taxpayers.
The most important thing I've heard out in the community is that collaboration between 2 large institutions. And when you take a good, efficient city government and an efficient school system, combine them together and each utilize those resources, it becomes really a win and a partnership for all of the city of Spokane. And it's really something unique that I've never seen.
The investments directly support the district's strategic objectives of providing a safe, productive learning and working environment for students and staff, and improved operational efficiencies.
We've come to the decision with our community that 6th grade really does need to be moved up to middle school. It helps us implement the plan that we've been working towards. To decrease class size in K through 3, we need more classrooms.
This partnership makes better use of publicly owned property, improves school district and city facilities, supports the library's plan to reimagine how people use their libraries, assesses nearly $58 million in state construction matching funds for middle schools, and eases crowding in the district's elementary schools while still reducing local property tax rates.
Modernizing our schools and providing our kids with an environment that makes it fun to learn, it makes it safe to learn is really important. I'm really excited that it's a partnership between the schools and the city. Our community is really concerned about good stewardship of our resources and making sure that when our citizens are making those investments that we're getting the biggest bang for our buck.
For more information or to request a presentation, visit the address on your screen or give us a call. And please remember to vote on November 6th.